Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome as always. I'm back out here in the parking lot with something else to fly, of course. This time I'm out here with a UFO drone. This is the Holy Fun Seeker drone UFO. It has altitude hold, but this is the best looking UFO drone I have ever seen. It has this metallic look on the top and on the bottom. It has a bunch of lights. The lights are beautiful at night. And this isn't the first time I did a video on this. I will have a link in the description to the video that I have done of this. I think I did a short as well. And I think this is the first time I had it out here on the side over here. But really awesome little drone. I have seen a lot of different versions of it on AliExpress. This one came off of Amazon, and this is the best one that I have seen. Really nice features on it. Let's explore some of those features. Let's get it in the air. Fire up the transmitter. It binds automatically right away. So we're gonna go straight to the high rates because this little drone doesn't do well in any type of wind, and we got a really light wind, and I bet it's gonna have problems with that. Check out the awesome lights. That's full forward, guys. So this is the fastest this guy can fly, but it looks really awesome. Check out the yaw. You can change the colors as well. Got that red light circling the craft. You have a green light circling the craft, a blue light circling, a yellow or orange light. I can't tell which color it is. You got like a turquoise. That's yellow right there. The other one was orange. You got purple. You got all of the colors. You got solid options as well, but it's slowly changing from green to yellow, orange, purple, red. UFO does flips. Let's put it in headless mode. The headless mode is really awesome. Hold on, that wasn't headless mode right there. That was some other mode. I don't know what that mode is, but it renders you almost useless. You can't really get any pitch. But let's go into headless mode. The headless mode is awesome. You can see green is always the front. And so when I'm spinning it, the green light will stay on one side. So you're always going to know which side is the front when you're in headless mode, no matter what orientation you're in, because the green will stay in the front. And you can constantly apply yaw and the green will still stay in that same direction. So that's pretty awesome. Let's come out of that. Let's come into my mode that I like the most. Hold on, we got solid colors here. This thing has so many different lighting options. Let's see, what was my original one? I think this was it right here. Red in the rear, green in the front. See if we can navigate around some trees without getting stuck in the branches. and go over there in the dark. Okay, so let's try to bring it in for a landing. Okay, so that's the Holy Fun Seeker UFO drone. Awesome little drone, UFO. Thanks for watching.